All right, let's look at this Wassce 2024 Elective Math question 9. So this one is under pure mathematics. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this together. All right, so we have f of x as 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus px plus q. So we have f of x. What is that? Okay, so such that the definite integral of 0 to 2, okay, of this f of x, the x is equal to 6. And we have another one from -1 to 1 of the same f of x here, the x equals -2. So the question is find the values of p and q. Okay, so let's start with the integral of, so we have 0 to 2. Now we have f of x as 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus px plus q. Okay, so we have this dx. Okay, so we need to find the definite integral of this and equate it to 6. Okay, so let's start. Let's differentiate this one, then substitute this and equate it to 6. Okay, so let's integrate. So I'll just add 1 and divide by the total. Okay, so in case we're given x power n, the same as x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, so we have 2 x power 4 over 4 plus 3x to the power 3 over 3 plus px squared over 2 plus q. So we have qx. Okay, so let's find the definite integral and equate it to 6. So let's do the substitution. So I'll start from 2. So I'll plug in 2 here. Remember, we can still reduce this one to over 2. So we have 2 to the power 4 over 2 because 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 3 will cancel 3. Okay. So this side will be s cubed. So we have 2 to the power 3. So have p plus f. Okay, so minus. Now when I plug in 0 here, this side go to 0, this side go to 0, and this side 2 will be 0, and this side 2 will be 0. So everything will be 0 equals 6. So we have 2 to the power 4, which is 16. 2 times 2, 4, 16 on 2. 16 on 2 plus 8 plus this side will be 4 p on 2 2q. So minus 0 equals to 6. Sorry. So we have 2 here, 8 8 plus 8 plus 2p plus 2q equals 6. So we have 2p plus 2q. So we have 8 plus 8 as 16. So 6 minus 16. 2p plus 2q equals to minus 10. We can divide 2 by 2p plus q. That's minus 5. So that's the first equation. Okay. So let's write the first equation here. You have p plus q equals to minus 5. All right, let's look at the other one. Okay. So the other one is very simple. So let me clean this side. So let me start from here. So this time we have from -1 to 1. Okay. So we have the same thing, 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus px plus q dx. Okay, so let's start. So plus 1, we have 2x to the power 4 over total plus 3x cubed over total px squared over 2 plus qx. Okay, so that's that. So let's take this time we are starting from -1 to 1 and equate it to -2. Okay, so let's start. But this side will be s to the power 4 on 2 plus s cubed plus px squared on 2 plus qx -1 to 1. So let's start. So we are starting with 1. So 1 to the power 4 on 2 plus 1 to the power 3 1 squared 2 q. Okay, so minus. Now we are starting from 1 to we are starting from -1 to no 1 to -1, sorry. So 1. So the next side will be negative. So same thing, -1 -1 to the power 4 on 2 1 to the power 3 on 2 half -1 to the power 2 on 2 kill -1. Okay, so 1 to the power 4 is same as 1. So we have 1 over 2. So plus 1. Then we have p on 2. We have plus q. So minus. So -1 all to the power 4. This side is positive. So negative Then we have plus p on 2 minus q. So equals to -2. All right. So let's deal with this side. We have half plus 1 plus p on 2 plus q. Okay, so let's open the bracket here. P on 2 plus q. So we have minus half plus half minus p on 2 plus q equals to -2. So we can multiply through by 2 to make it linear. So times 2, this side will be 1 plus 2 times 2 have p times 2 2q times 2 minus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 minus p times 2 plus 2q equals to -4. Okay, so this one will cancel this. So we have -1 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have 2p, 2q, 2q here plus 2q. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 to this side will be -7. Have 4q is -7. Therefore, q is -7 on 4. Okay, so my p will be -5. So we have p -7 -5. We have 4p -7 equals to -20. So 4p -20 plus 7. 13 -13. So my p here -13 on 4. -13 on 4. Have p and q. P is -13 on 4. Q -7 on 4. So we have f of x 2x cubed 3x squared. So p is minus, so -7 and 4. So we have this as our f. Okay. It's talking about the derivative of f of x. Okay. So we have to find the derivative of this. So if I ask you differentiate 2x squared, Okay, is this one times that, then reduce this one by 1, so y 4x. Okay, so y prime is that. So this side becomes 6x squared plus 6x this one will be minus 13 over 4, so plus 0. This one is constant 0. So the question says find f prime of 2. So let's plug in 2. Four. 6 times 4, 12, 13 and 4. Okay, so f prime of 2, 6 for 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. 36 minus 13 and 4. Okay. So we have f prime 2 as 32.75. Okay, so that's that.